Everyone thinks Etsy is too saturated. It's not possible to make a real income selling print on demand in 2026. But today, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 unsaturated product types where I am seeing new sellers make big sales. When I started selling 3 years ago, I heard so many people saying, good luck with that. There's no way you can actually make sales in print on demand on Etsy anymore. And what I found was finding these golden product types is key to making sales, especially as a new seller. And if you stick with me to the end of today's video, I'm going to be sharing which one of the 5 I would start with if I were opening a brand new shop in 2026. Hey there, my name is Emily. I'm a mom of 2, multi-6-figure Etsy seller, and I love selling simple, giftable print-on-demand products. I started my Etsy shop with 0 design experience and 0 business experience and was able to scale it to 6 figures in 10 months by following this formula of simple design with highly giftable products. And my goal is always to work smarter, not harder. So if you are looking for print-on-demand tips and strategies that make this all feel a little less overwhelming, go ahead and hit like or subscribe below so you don't miss a single weekly video. All right, so let's break down this whole idea that Etsy is too saturated. It's way too late to start selling print on demand on Etsy. And sure, there are some areas on Etsy where there is a lot of competition. Like, for example, if you're just selling a generic mom t-shirt, it's going to be hard to stand out as a new Etsy seller. But if you're focused on selling things that are different from other sellers out there, you are going to stand out even as a new shop. I have worked with hundreds of new print-on-demand sellers, and every day in my Gift Lab community, I am seeing students have wins and successes, whether it's their first sale, 100th sale, 1,000th sale. They are seeing that success because they are doing a couple things really well. Number 1, they are choosing products that have a slightly lower competition. Number 2, they're finding ways to tap into customer demand. They're not so much focusing on all the hot trends out there, but they're figuring out where are customers wanting to buy things on Etsy and how can they fill that need with a simple giftable product. And that's the third thing they're doing really well, is that they are creating these simple yet meaningful gift products that truly speak to an audience. And the 5 products we're going to be diving into today check all of those boxes. All right, let's dive into the first product, and that is going to be one of my very favorite products that I started selling in 2025, and that is the plates and platters from DecoPlate. Now, just as a note, you can access these only through Anywhere POD, which is one of my very favorite must-have print-on-demand tools. Anywhere POD has helped me simplify not only my listing process, but my personalization process. But the third thing it's done is it's allowed me to access products that I wouldn't have been able to before, like these plates and platters through DecoPlate. And I'm going to link a video down in the show notes for you that I did recently about why I am loving these plates so much. But as a new shop, I am seeing sellers have major success with these because they are wildly unique, right? You're not seeing everyone out there selling plates and platters. And you can customize these for specific meaningful occasions. Think engagements, wedding gifts, baby showers, etc., etc. The customers I have been selling to love these as keepsakes, as decor for special occasions or events. And there's a high perceived value to these, which means that the profit margins are really good on these because they seem like a very elegant gift, something really unique. And if you customize them, you can absolutely charge a bit more for those. And this has truly become one of my favorite products that I have sold this year. And I am going to be really encouraging new sellers in 2026 to sell these plates and platters because there is a lot less competition in this space. Now, I'm going to show you here a few examples of some newer shops that are making absolutely killer sales on these plates and platters. And this is using the Everbee research tool, which is my go-to research tool because I love that it shows me how old the shop is, how long the listing has been live, and what the estimated monthly sales and revenue are. And you can see here that these products are absolutely rocking it right now. And I don't see that changing in 2026. And so I'm excited to share this one with you because this one is absolutely one of my favorites. Okay, moving on to my second favorite product. That is going to be the hardcover matte journal from District Photo through Printify. And if you've been here for a minute, you know that I just absolutely love selling these journals. I was super skeptical before I started selling them. I really wondered, would Etsy buyers buy a lined blank journal with just a designed cover? And the answer is yes, yes, yes. And first, I'm going to show you here using the Everbee extension, some of these newer shops that are making ridiculous sales on these hardcover journals. And I still can't believe that this very simple product is making these kind of sales on Etsy. So what do I love about these journals? Number one, there is almost zero barrier to design. Now, as you know, I started this with no design experience, and a lot of my students in the Gift Lab community don't have a design background. And what I love about these journals is that the designs can be incredibly simple. It could be just words, maybe a small graphic on them, and they sell. The other thing is they are highly giftable, which, as you know, is one of my key ingredients to success for new sellers because you can create them for all sorts of different occasions, careers, hobbies. Also, the most important is there's a lot less competition. So there are not as many people selling these journals out there as there might be t-shirts or mugs. And so these journals really check all the boxes for me. And before we move on to the third product that I'm recommending for 2026, I want to make sure you catch this week's coffee and cha-chings that I'll be posting later this week. I'm going to be diving into a trend that is coming up in the ranks on Etsy, and I'm envisioning being huge for 2026. So catch that later this week on Coffee and Cha-chings. Okay, the third product that I see new sellers making amazing sales on, especially going into 2026, are going to be blankets. And some of my favorite blankets on Printify include the Velveteen plush blanket, the Velveteen microfiber blanket, and the Sherpa blanket. Now, Printify offers tons of different blankets out there. So you can definitely choose which ones and try different ones that you think will be best. But those are the three that I have sold and that I have seen other students sell and have success with. Now, what I love about blankets is they are also highly giftable, but they have a higher average order value, meaning when you sell one blanket, that might equate to selling 3 mugs in terms of the profit that you're getting. And with blankets, the personalization options are truly endless, and that can be gold when it comes to Etsy. I'm going to show you here some listings that are making incredible sales on blankets. And what I also love about blankets that goes for a lot of these that I'm showing you here is that they're truly evergreen. People are buying blankets year round, whether it's for baby gifts, whether it's for senior nights, whether it's for graduation, for birthdays, all of the above. These kinds of gifts are truly selling all year round. Now, what I will say about blankets is that they do have a bit of a learning curve to them. So these can take a little bit of time to figure out in terms of design size, mock-ups, things like that. But if you are able to invest some time into figuring out how to list these blankets, the payoff and the payout can definitely be worth it. And product number 4 that I'm recommending for newer shops to sell going into 2026 is going to be ornaments. Now, hear me out. I know we are exiting the holiday season, and you might be thinking that this doesn't really seem like a great time to sell ornaments, but I can assure you that ornaments do sell year round. Now, don't get me wrong. In Q4, meaning in October, November, and December, ornaments are a powerhouse product. And to give you an example, I just had 2 students hit over $40,000 in revenue in 15 days in December by focusing their efforts on ornaments. And so the momentum you can build with ornaments is absolutely huge. But what I also want to share is I had another student who got her first best-selling product in June, in the summer of this past year, with an ornament. So ornaments do sell year-round. They sell for different evergreen occasions. Think things like graduation ornaments or baby gift ornaments. There is so much momentum to be had in ornaments, and I think a lot of people overlook them outside of the holiday season when there is so much potential there. Here are a few ornaments that are newer listings that I want to show you, and here is the data from the Everbee research tool showing you that ornaments are truly gold on Etsy. They are super easy to design once you get into a good rhythm. They are easy to list because they have you can do just one variation. So if you just want to do the circle ornament, then that's great. And my favorite ornament is the Swift POD matte ceramic ornament. This is the one I have been selling and encouraging students in the Gift Lab community to sell. And the print has been really great on these, and I am absolutely loving these. And it's something I am going to be pushing for my students in 2026 because I have seen the power of selling ornaments, not just during the holiday season, but year round. And moving on to our last product. So the fifth product that I am recommending going into 2026, and that is going to be comfort colored t-shirts. Now, I know you might be thinking, Emily, I thought you were a t-shirt hater. And yes, t-shirts are not my go-to on Etsy anymore. I prefer to stick with these gift products like we've talked about today, plates and ornaments and journals, things along those lines. However, if you are interested in going into the apparel space, comfort color t-shirts are a tried and true product on Etsy for print-on-demand sellers. They have huge potential when it comes to niches like bachelorette parties, teacher t-shirts, small business gifts, things like that. And comfort color t-shirts have a higher average order value, which means they sell at a higher price and can have a higher profit margin because customers know that they have an incredible quality to them. Etsy shoppers love anything that feels boutique-y, and comfort color t-shirts are very trendy right now. They are very in style, and so they make a great product type if you are wanting to add apparel to your print-on-demand shop. Now, my favorite come from Printify, and these are the comfort color t-shirts that you can find on Printify. And here are some listings that are making incredible sales selling comfort color tees. They are selling even for new shops. They help you stand out because they are that higher quality, and Etsy buyers just love, love, love them. So if you're thinking about adding in t-shirts of any kind in 2026, my go-to is absolutely going to be the comfort color tees. Okay, so as I mentioned at the top of this video, I told you if you stuck around, I would share with you what product type I would focus on in 2026 as a newer print-on-demand shop. And that is going to be a little bit of a tie. So my two answers to that are going to be number one, the plates and platters from Deco Plate, and number two, ornaments. Now, why do I say both of these? Because I feel like you could really make headway in this space as a new shop. For plates and platters, we have holidays coming up like Father's Day, Mother's Day, Teacher Appreciation, Nurse Appreciation, that plates and platters make an incredible gift for. And then when it comes to ornaments, as I mentioned, they are evergreen and they truly sell year round. But if you started working on ornaments in January of 2026, by the time you got to Q4, your shop would likely explode with sales. So these are the two products I would absolutely recommend going into the new year, especially as a newer shop. So there you have it. These are my 5 unsaturated product types for print on demand if you are looking to sell on Etsy in 2026. What I love about all of these is that it doesn't include chasing trends, and you're not trying to compete with every other print-on-demand seller out there. These are 5 less saturated product types where you can really stand out even as a brand new shop. The best thing you can do is always, number 1, start with your research, but number 2 is to pick a solid product type to start with, and especially one where you're not competing with as many people, and one where you can create highly meaningful custom gifts for Etsy buyers. So I'd love to hear in the comments below which products you're focusing on going into 2026, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.